Good day, Jamaica. This is Patwanewsnetwork Network, and these are your hurricane preparedness tips. Hurricane Beryl. What on the party? Oh, yeah. Yeah, you and me at Tata. What you do? I don't get up about to get the little tips about the hurricane and them things. Brother, sit down, man. Can you need to hear this? Party, myself, sit down. Can you need to hear? Party, me know where you live, you know. No, but I have to find a yard, brother. Sit down, can you need to hear about to tell about the hurricane, you know. Oh, yeah, David. First thing first, man, you know, say you know nothing about the hurricane, and you nah, check up, you know, like most other Jamaicans there really don't care, don't. You want to make claims say, boy, God save you all the time, so the hurricane and not reach Jamaica. Well, man, you prepare yourself anyway, because right now, the hurricane out there create damage and havoc in some country, you know, man. So, man, you're going to like say, you're a fool, you know, and like you're a bait, and like you know, man, take things serious, you know. So, as I say, first things first, my youth, so you go walk around the yard, brother. I look for the loose things that are around the yard, man. If I like a breeze start blowing, I lift up and become a missile and them things. I lift down people and them things. I skate over people place and them things, man. You don't want that. Second thing, man, you know, say window them not too good enough. So tape off the window them, man, you back now if you back down, man, you to make sure that everything's secure, you see me? Third thing, brother, you know, say some weak zinc you have on your house top, man, you. So what you gonna do? Put the block them on your house top from early, brother, and stop move like say you bait, man, you. You have 10 block them in the yard, do eh? Put them on the zinc top, man, you, so that when the rain start falling, if the breeze start blow, man, at least you know, say, the thing now gonna lift off my youth and flood out your place, my you kind of want to lie down in your bed, you know, and feel water beat all over here, you know, my just because you never secure the zinc top them, you know, my youth. Fourth thing, brother, if you do little shopping, my little buying if you go on, but you have to buy like you're a fool and you're a bait. What you go buy? You go buy water, my youth, because water can't spoil. So make sure you go buy the water them early because people are going to buy that. Them are going to buy water. You see me? Make sure say you buy some non-perishable. What I mean by that? Buy the flash out, the tin bulb, my youth. Nobody go buy no beef and them thing. The beef expensive. Buy what you know say you go eat, my youth. You go yam that. It flash out, I go yam. Buy some rice, buy some flour, so at least you know say if anything can go, you can run on one boat and them thing. You see me? Buy a bread and put it in your fridge, man. You not go spoil. Nobody go buy what you need, man. And then next thing, you sit down with the whole of something on your hand because boy, the storm never forward like how it's supposed to forward. So what is tip number 5, brother? Charge up my youth. Every battery in your house for charge, my youth. Every phone for charge. Every power bank for charge. Don't wait till last minute to do them something because you know what's going on already with GPS, you know. I think a breeze star blow them I go do. Lock off your light, my. They wouldn't know the history already, my youth. Somebody will wait last minute and say, boy, I got charge X or Y. Or they ready for charge a light and them, my youth. Charge up the thing them. Go buy up a little battery them and them thing them, my. For the flashlight and them thing, a little radio and them thing them, my youth. You know the steps already, my. But I still, oh yeah, I get up here, I get up. But I don't talk to you yet, you know what you do? Charge up the thing, man, for charge up, my. Next thing, put some credit on your phone, my youth. You don't know, say you can't waste credit, you know. So buy the credit and put on your phone just in case nothing go on. At least you can make a 1 call or a 2 call and check in for people and them things there, you see me? And next thing on top of that, man, you don't know say cooking gas so done. Just buy the gas now, my youth. You know, I go waste, you know. You go cook after. So buy the gas, my youth, and buy a little gas and put in the pot, put out the door, my youth. So if you need to go from X to Y, my, at least you can go so and do so. You know, I'm going to carry, you're going to eat the pan dog. But I do what you need to do, brother, and, you know, move like say you have sense. No, but I wait till last minute like all the other Jamaican them, but we are do over the years, man, you, because we don't know what go on. We are pray say thing move and go about it business, but we don't know, so we are going to prepare and trust God see me. That's why I say don't buy no foolishness. So if not don't go on them, don't sit down in your hand, you see me? It's a tip number 1. 6, check in for your people, them, your old lady, your father, your auntie, your uncle, the elderly people when you know in your community and everything. Check in upon them, brother, make sure so them alright, them back down. Them secure and them think them my youth and make sure so them alright. And the last tip I have for you, my youth, don't bother out to do like say you're an idiot, brother. Even if you're out there, brother, turn your yard, where your driver go wash you, man. You know much car wash you out, the turn your yard, my youth. You have a rifle, sister. I want in the brother. Turn your yard if you need to go out there, man. At least I go out there to help somebody, even so. You still not need to go out there, man. Just be careful at them time, you see me? Those were your hurricane preparedness tips from Patwanewsnetwork Network.